Hello guys, welcome to mathmarvelasmr. Today we have integration sin x divided by sin 4x into dx. This is our question. First of all, I want to say that if you learn something from my videos, from the contents uploaded from this channel, then obviously like this video, share to your math lover friends and consult with them, and obviously subscribe this channel so that I can be motivated to upload the further videos. So that's it. Now let's go. So first of all, we will manage the bottom part, the denominator, that is sin x divided by sin 4x. It can be written like this: 2 sin 2x into cos 2x dx. Now integration of sin x divided by sin 2x will be further simplified in 2 sin x cos x and cos 2x as it is into dx. Now sin x will be gone. It will be 1 by 4 integration of dx divided by cos x into cos 2x. Now we know the formula, that is cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So we will put it here and we will manage it in this way. We will multiply cos x in both numerator and denominator, so that the denominator part will be cos square x into, put the value of cos 2x, that is 1 minus 2 sin squared x into dx. Now let the integration be equals to I. So we got I is equals to 1 by 4 integration of cos x divided by the cos squared x will be managed as 1 minus sin squared x and 1 minus 2 sin squared x into dx. Now let sin x is equals to z. So you will get dx, cos x dx is equals to dz. Then it will be 1 by 4 integration of dz divided by 1 minus z square into 1 minus 2z square. Now we have to solve this using partial fraction method to solve the integration. Now to find the convenient way, we will just substitute z squared as t. It's just a direct substitution. So 1 by 1 minus z square into 1 minus 2z square will be 1 by 1 minus t into 1 minus 2t. That's it. Now we will manage this part using the partial fraction method. So it will be 1 divided by 1 minus t into 1 minus 2t is equals to a by 1 minus t, since 1 minus t is in single form. Now b by 1 minus 2t. This is also linear part. So take LCM, a into 1 minus 2t plus b into 1 minus t divided by this. Now these bottom parts will be omitted. Then it will be 1 is equals to a into 1 minus 2t plus b into 1 minus t. 1 is equals to, now merge the constant parts and the coefficient of t. So comparing both sides, the constant parts will be equal, that is 1 equals to a plus b, and the coefficient of t will be equals to 0, because in the left side there is no t. So we can write it as 0 into t plus 1. So the coefficients will be 0. So from here we can write b equals to minus 2a. Put it here, we will get minus 2a plus a is equals to 1. So a is equals to minus 1. We got a. Now put the value here, we will get b equals to 2. So we got a and b. Now we will put a and b here. Thus we will get, now we will put the values here in place of a and b. Then it will be minus 1 by 1 minus t plus 1 by 1 minus 2t into 2. b is equals to 2. So that's it. Now we will shift t with z square, what we have assumed in the previous part, that is 1 minus 2z square. Now we have to find the integration, that is I is equals to integration of minus 1 by 1 minus z square into dz plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2z square into dz is equals to, it will be dz, minus 1 will be multiplied in the bottom part, that will be z square minus 1 plus 2 taken common outside, that is dz by 1 minus 2z square. So equals to, this is dz by z square minus 1. According to the formula, it will follow integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. The formula is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. This is the formula. So we will put it here. So 1 by 2, a is 1, so 1 by 2 log mod z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus of. Now we will take 2 common from the denominator in the second part, so it will be 1 by 2 minus z square. Now 1 by 2 log mod z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus of 2 will be gone. Now we will manage this part, that whole square, that is 1 by root 2 whole square minus z square. Here we have to apply the formula of dx divided by a square minus x square integration, that is equals to 1 by 2a log mod a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So put it here, there will be 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2, that is a, into log mod 1 by root 2 plus z divided by 1 by root 2 minus z plus of c. Now log, half of log mod z minus 1 by z plus 1 plus of root 2, no problem, this will be 1 by root 2 log mod 1 plus root 2z divided by 1 minus root 2z plus c. One more thing we forgot to add, that is I is equals to 1 by 4 into, it was 1 by 4, so here it will be 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 4, all of the parts will be included, 1 by 4, here it will be 4 into, so thus here it will be 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 multiplied by, so it will be 1 by 8, and it will be 4 into root 2. That's it. Now we will put the value of z here, that is sin x. It will be sin x plus 1 divided by sin x, it is sin x minus 1 divided by sin x plus 1. It's minus 1, it's plus 1, plus 1 by 4 root 2 log mod 1 plus root 2 sin x divided by 1 minus root 2 sin x plus c. This is the answer of the given question. Thus it can be solved using the method. I think all of the steps is crystal clear to you. Now follow this method to solve such types of problems. If you have any queries, then comment me, I will explain it to you. That's it for today. Wait for the further uploads. Share to your math lover friends and obviously subscribe this channel. Thank you.